Want to create stunning Studio Ghibli-style AI images for free? If you've been struggling with ChatGPT's image limits, I've got a game-changing trick using Grok AI. With a little help from ChatGPT. Stay till the end, because I'll show you the best way to generate these images without spending a dime. So, here's the problem. ChatGPT's AI image generation is amazing, but free users can only create 3 images before hitting a wall. Even paid users have limits. But guess what? Grok AI lets you generate images without strict limits. The catch? It's not as accurate. That's where ChatGPT's prompting skills come in. First, we need a highly detailed prompt. ChatGPT is great at writing prompts for AI art. Just ask something like, give me a detailed AI prompt to generate a Studio Ghibli-style image of a peaceful countryside with floating lanterns, soft lighting, and a magical feel. Boom! ChatGPT gives you a perfect prompt with style details, colors, and composition. Copy that. Now, head over to Grok AI. You can access it through X, formerly Twitter. Paste the prompt into Grok's image generator and hit go. It might take a few tries to get the style right, but you can tweak it using different prompts. Here's the cool part. ChatGPT's images might look more refined, but Grok gives unlimited tries. So, you can keep generating until you get the perfect Studio Ghibli vibe. Plus, ChatGPT can help tweak your prompts for even better results. And that's it. With this hack, you can create unlimited Ghibli-style AI images for free using Grok, with the power of ChatGPT prompts. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI hacks, and let me know in the comments. What's the first Ghibli-style image you're going to generate?